Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Let's learn some colors. Green color, orange color, yellow color, pink color. Today I will show you how to draw a cute, yummy birthday cake. Let's start drawing. Just follow me step by step. Let's draw together. Let's do color together. This is chocolate color. This is chocolate color. The next color is hot pink color. What color is this? This is hot pink color. Then the last one is yellow color. Yellow color candle. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you kids.